During this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mega menu inside of your Kyckstart theme and inside of your store. So the mega menu looks a little something like this. So we have 3 different columns, and we have this image over here that we can upload any image we want, and then we can make that image clickable so we can link it to a product or a page or whatever. So this here is just a sample mega menu. You can add or remove these columns. I'm just using 3 columns for the sake of this tutorial. So you can have like 2 columns or 4 columns, whatever it may be. And this here is a regular menu just so you can see the difference, okay? So I'm going to show you how to create a menu like this, all right? To get started, you need to already have your pages created that you want to use and things like that, all right? So I'm going to jump in here into my main menu. And this here is what it looks like on the back end, okay? The mega menu is what we're looking at right here, all right? So let me click this drop down arrow. So inside of my mega menu, I have collections, I have products, and I have more links. And then inside of my collections, I have my different options here. Inside of my products, I have my different options. And then inside of my more links, I have my different options, okay? And that's what you're looking at right here. We have my collections with my different options, my products with my different options, and then my more links with my different options, okay? Now, to nest them like that, let me go ahead and minimize this and then create a brand new one for you guys, okay? So let's just say I'm creating a new one, Mega Menu 2. All right, and let's just link it to all my products for the sake of this. Now let's say that I wanted to recreate this. So collections, products, more links. So we'll get started with collections. I want to add a menu items. I'm going to add my collections and select all collections and click on add. Now once I add it, I need to grab these little dots that you see over here, and my mouse changes to this little hand. I want to grab it, and I kind of want to drag it over here. And when I drag it in the right spot, you'll notice the mega menu changes a little bit and that little arrow appears. So then I'm going to drop it. Okay, that's how you nest it underneath that. And then once you get it nested, you can see that we can now add items directly underneath that nest. So next up we had the products, right? So add mega menu item, and I want to link this to all my products, and we're just going to call this products like this here, okay? Then we're going to add that, and now we have all collections, products, and this one is actually should be called collections. Let me change this to just collections. Apply changes. So we have collections, products, and then what I have left, I had more links. Collections, products, more links. So now we're going to add one more, and I'm just going to link this to the home page. It doesn't matter. More links. Okay? So now we got the beginning of our mega menu created. Next, we want to add even more options and links underneath these individual links. All right, so then we're going to add another one. So first I added all collections. So we're going to go to add menu item. I'm going to go to collections once again, all collections, and it's called all collections. We're going to add that, and then once again I'm going to grab these little dots that we see here. I'm going to grab it, I'm going to drag it up here underneath collections, and I gotta angle it in a way where you see where that line's located, and you see the collections now has that drop down arrow. So then I can drop it, right? So now we have that one nested. And once we have that nested, I can now create another item directly underneath that nest. So this time we're going to do all products. Products, all products, and it's called all products. And now we have that nested, and it's just like that, okay? Now we have that one completed. Let's move on to the products. So here, what I'm doing in my sample is I'm linking to very specific products that demonstrate a certain feature that I wanted to show you. So on sale, for example, a preview of what a product looks like when it's on sale. So I'm going to add a new item. I'm going to try, let's see here, my products. This product, let's see here. This product here is the one on sale. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to change the name to on sale preview. Click on add. And then once I have that added, I got to grab the little icons and I got to drag it underneath my products. Whoops, didn't do it. There we go. So now, once I have that nested, I can come through here and I can add the rest of these already nested. So the next one was sold out. Go to my products. This product here is the one that sold out. So I'll do sold out preview. And then we have that nested, okay? So then I would go through here and I would just create, I would do the same thing with more links. I would create it and then I would nest it, okay? So that's how you create the navigation itself on the back end. You can add anything you want, but that's how you create layers and layers of nest, okay? Let me go ahead and delete this because I don't want to have another mega menu there. Okay? Now, inside of the theme itself, we're going to go into the customizer here. And then once we're inside of the customization options, we're going to go to the header. And then we're going to scroll down and we have our menu selected, the one we just created, as we can see here. All right. Now, to add an image, right now you can see there's no image, right? If I wanted to add an image to the far right-hand side, I'm going to go to Add Image down here. And then for the heading, we have to call this the exact same name as the navigation, which in my case, it's called Mega Menu, okay? So we need to call this Mega Menu. It has to be exactly the same. The reason it has to be exactly the same is you could have multiple Mega Menus up here, and maybe you wanted to add different images to the multiple Mega Menus. The only way for the system to know which image to put where is to name it the exact same thing as your menu, okay? So we're going to call it Mega Menu. Then you're going to select the image that you want to put there or upload your own image. So let's say I wanted to put this image here, okay? Or let's say this one, actually, all right? Click on Select. Then I can link this anywhere I want. So maybe I'm advertising a very specific product or a very specific collection or a gift card page or whatever it may be. I can link it. So let's say I want to link it to this product here, just like that. And now when I mouse over my Mega Menu, we now have this image over here that is linked to the product that I selected here. All right. So that there is how you can create your navigation, how to nest it, how to properly label it, and then how to come in here and add an image to it if you wanted to add an image.